Okay, listen up, folks. Samsung isn't done slimming things down just yet. If you thought the Galaxy S25 Edge was just some one-time diet experiment, you're in for a treat because the next Galaxy S26 series is following that same skinny trend, and it's about to get spicy. So here's the scoop. The S25 Edge showed us just how thin Samsung can go. But rumor has it, Samsung's got its sights set on making the whole S26 lineup leaner than ever. According to Ice Universe, our favorite leak master, the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus are going to be around 6mm thick. That's like holding a pancake. Even the S26 Ultra, which is usually built like a tank, is shedding some weight, dropping to the 7-something-millimeter range. That's a big change from the S25 Ultra's 8.2mm. Seriously, Samsung's on a mission here. But before the deep dive into the video, a quick reality check. Over 98% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. That's wild. Hitting that button doesn't just grow this channel. It genuinely keeps me motivated to keep digging, scripting, and dropping the best leaks and updates before anyone else. If you made it this far, chances are you're into it. So why not make it official? Thanks, and let's dive in. Now it's not just about looking slim for the gram. Samsung's apparently re-engineering the camera's optical system to make this happen. So not only are you getting a sleeker phone, but it might actually take better photos too. Yeah, Samsung's basically giving these phones a glow-up and a makeover at the same time. And speaking of photos, let's talk zoom. The S25 had a 10-megapixel 3x zoom lens, which is fine, but the S26 is rumored to bump it up to 12 megapixels. That means sharper, cleaner shots. So your vacation selfies are about to get even more Instagram-worthy. If they also upgrade the aperture or the sensor size, low-light shots might finally stop looking like Bigfoot sightings. Here's another juicy tidbit. Samsung might actually be ditching the Plus model altogether next year. Word is they're thinking of replacing it with an S26 Edge. So if you're a fan of those fancy curved screens, this might just be your lucky day, assuming the S25 Edge doesn't flop. But wait, there's more, because Samsung's also shaking up the software game. Bloomberg says Samsung is in talks with an AI startup called Perplexity. Think of it like the new kid on the block that's ready to take on Google Assistant and Microsoft Copilot. If this partnership happens, Perplexity could be baked right into the Galaxy S26 series. Imagine that, Samsung's own AI assistant that doesn't just give you answers, but shows you where it got them from. No more guessing if your phone is just making stuff up. This lines up with Samsung's history of playing the field too. Remember when they considered switching to Bing in 2023? Google was definitely not happy about that. Now, if Perplexity gets the green light, we might see Samsung finally breaking free from Google's shadow, and I'm here for it. So what do you think? Is Samsung onto something with this new slim and smart approach? Or are they spreading themselves a little too thin? Let me know in the comments. Until then, stay tuned and stay awesome.